Everyone!
Hi everybody!
I'm Maz.
I'm Liz.
And welcome to week 8 of Babies and Books. So some of you may have seen our videos before, but for those of you who haven't, Babies and Books is all about spending some time with your little ones, really engaging with them, having some special bonding time, using your eye contacts, and we will be having lots of fun, singing some rhymes and reading a book as well. So as we said last week, this week is all about animals, and this week we're going to the farm. So we will start off by singing our name song. It's really important to use your little one's name, and eventually they'll get to know that that is what their name is. So, should we say hello to our friends?
Absolutely.
Oh, and if you do want us to say hello to your little one, do pop a name in the comments and let us know what their name is as well.
And we'll give them a shout out.
So give them a shout out.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, my bon. Hello, my bon. Hello, my bon. It's nice to see you here. Hello, Seren. Hello, Seren. Hello, Seren. It's nice to see you here. Hello, Reese. Hello, Reese. Hello, Reese. It's nice to have you here. Hello, everybody. Hello. So carrying on with our animal theme, you may know this one by now. We've done it for a couple of weeks, and it's Little Peter Rabbit. So you've got your ears ready. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. And he swished it and he swashed it and the fly flew away. Powder puff and curly whiskers. Powder puff and curly whiskers. Powder puff and curly whiskers. And he swished it and he swashed it and the fly flew away. Naughty fly, naughty fly. Well done. So the next one, we're going to do Old MacDonald, and on his farm he had a pig, a sheep, and a dog. Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very well done. That was a lovely little sing-song. So now we're going to move on to reading our story. So Liz is going to read our story today. It's a bilingual book. We're just going to read it in the English for you. And it's called Moo Moo.
Moo moo.
Oh, and it's a Lift the Flap book, and we'll be talking a bit more about the Lift the Flaps in just a moment.
Who's that in the barn?
Shall we have a look? Let's have a look.
It's the friendly cow.
Moo, moo,
moo.
Cow.
Cow. Who's that behind the bucket? Should we have a look? Ooh, it's noisy cockerel. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Who's that among the trees? Shall we have a look? It's Hungry Horse. Nay, nay. Who's that in the field? Shall we have a look, Naz? It's Woolly Sheep. Baa, baa. And who's that in the barn? Shall we have a look?
Let's have a look. Jolly Pig.
It's Jolly Pig. Oink, oink.
And we looked at a Llyfrau flat book, and little ones love these from all ages, but especially when they're about 1 year old. They're really good to engage your child, and they get really excited at lifting up the flap and seeing what's underneath. And games like peekaboo as well. So if you're hiding and then you peekaboo, it's the idea there of object permanence. So it's the idea that they can see you when you're gone, but then you will come back again. So it's really good for engaging with them, and it's really good fun.
It is.
Yeah. And so the next thing that we wanted to show you is our next free book that you can pick up from your local Aura library. So Buckley, Broughton, Connors Quay, Holywell, Mould, Flint, and also the mobile library as well. And as I said last week, it's got so much in it. It's a bilingual book. It's numbers, it's animals, it's insects, so we'll be doing the different Makaton signs for those as well. But I'm really, really excited because I'm going to be doing a Zoom session on the 23rd of April at 10:30. So if you would like the Zoom code, if you email susanna.hill@aura.wales, and that should be in the information above as well, and ask for the Zoom code. And then we're going to have a Zoom session, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of yoga with you and your little ones. So I'm really excited for that. Hope to see some of you there.
Take care.
Bye bye. Bye bye.